Day of the ride, less people even show up. This ride didn't start off great. Feels like... What happened?
So it just cut out.
Yeah.
Coming up that first hill felt like it was really struggling.
Yeah.
Moved off a couple of times, it was okay for it, and then just stalled again. But then that last stretch just then,
it's fine.
Okay. I mean,
okay.
It still does, we were pulling off, but then
okay.
So
okay. Maybe it was just that hill.
Bit of fuel blockage or something.
Maybe it's cleared itself.
A plastic tank or...
It's probably because you're going uphill. How much fuel you got left?
About half a tank, I reckon.
It could be because you're going uphill, cold,
yeah,
high altitude.
Is it a metal tank?
No, I think it... Oh no, I think it is metal. Yeah. Underneath all that, yeah.
Okay.
So
we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, if it keeps cut, it seemed all right. I reckon it was just you stalling it, being rubbish. Bank holiday weekend. It's nice to see the bikes back on the trails where they should be. Oh, it's dusty today, isn't it? Why did I go at the back? That was a bad idea. Yeah, it was actually slimy the other day. Now it's dry. Mostly dry. Well, I'm going to road for the muddy bit, aren't I? Got Phil 480 in front. Hip joins in the middle. Of course, I'm on the biggest, heaviest bike. Well, we'll pick the same line. Cool, it's completely dried out since the other day. Week of no rain, it's completely dried out completely. Wow. If you didn't know, Phil 480 also is a streamer, and he streams Sea of Thieves and he has redemptions. So I often like to watch just to redeem things to screw him over.
Leap of faith coming up.
Phil? What? You know that's the exact same spot you did it last time as well. This one. Yeah, I think we're just about clear. Oh, I don't want a Jeep falling over me. Oh, collision. All right. I haven't seen a Range Rover come down here in years. You alright, Phil? Right, is your bike okay?
I think so, yeah.
Just, you want to clear that mud out your rear brake? Hang on, get a stick. Phil, here you go, that's the tool you need. Otherwise you get your hand all muddy. Dear oh dear. Oh, do you want to take the rubbers out? Do you want to take the rubbers out, Phil?
The rubbers?
Yeah, the rubbers on your foot pegs.
You get more grip on your foot pegs then.
Yeah,
oh,
you
right.
won't slip off.
They're designed to come in and out.
Oh, okay, I did not know that.
They should come in and out quite easily, yeah. Bit of a tug, and you put them in your bag. Yeah, and you put them in for when you go home. You won't slip off the pegs now.
Well, so yeah, after that, yeah, that peg was already slippery because of all the mud in it.
And narrow pegs are better as well.
I guess they dig in more like healed.
Yeah. Look how narrow my foot pegs are. Yeah, but it's because if you're wearing road boots, it's very horrible.
Yeah.
And then James joined in on his KTM 1090 Adventure R. So 2 big bikes and 2 little bikes. Bikes up front on a straight trail, nothing to do but wheel spin the wheel and create a dust cloud. I like this lane, quite technical on a big bike. It's about as wide as the handlebars are. Didn't think I'd be stuck behind a van on a byway, but we are. That's the first though. On a weekend, on a bank holiday weekend. Hey, thank you. Very loose here it is. It was on this lane. I'm still not sure how exactly this happened. There were 3 other bikes in front of me. The KTM was leading, then I think Hippodrones, then Phil on his derby, and for some strange reason, none of them got a puncture. And of course, me. I'm the one who picked the screw at the time. Got to the end of the lane, shut off the bikes. I realised, yeah, I have got a rear puncture. Now, of all the bikes to get one, now in one regards, this is possibly a little bit lucky because the one bike that happened to get the puncture also happens to be my bike where I carry most of the tools and I'm the only bike that has a centre stand. The KTM doesn't. The other bikes are lighter. Now this is a good little trick to always try. It managed to break the bead on one side of the tyre, but doing it on the other side it didn't work, so I had to do it and finish it off by hand using the tyre levers. Now if you ever know about Heidenau K60s, they have a super duper reinforced tyre wall, which is really, really hard to break by hand. I did do one side, the KTM did the other, because of the disc, we couldn't get it low enough. Yeah, I pulled out the old tube, got my old tube out, which I can actually repair because it's heavy duty. And then I put in the new one. And of course, because I've got an audience, I'm under stress. I think this is about 50 minutes. It took about 50 minutes to do this, to change it all across. And yeah, unfortunately, I pinched the tube. I have done so many tyre changes. Yeah, pinching a tube is, you know, something that you do every now and then. And really annoyingly, it pumped up, and it actually pumped up to about 25 psi. And it wasn't until I then picked the tyre up after it had pumped up and then found out that it was leaking air.
Fully over the handlebars.
Yeah, over the handlebars. Yeah, yeah. And with a bit of front brake on.
Yeah, yeah, all the time.
Okay, that's how you change a tyre on a bike. Now we're going to turn the camera off and do it properly. This is not rideable. This is not right. Huh? Oh. What's wrong? What's wrong with his? Won't start? Ah.
Didn't seem to be doing anything on the button.
Nothing at all. Ooh.
Oh, that was close. That was really close. That was like a centimetre.
I'm gonna limp off.
Yeah.
Because I can't even get signal here, so I can't even call breakdown.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna limp off.
Yep.
I don't know if you want to call your breakdown, but I've got no signul here. So I'm going to limp off
If you
the
can
hill.
get it started, will it stay running? Yeah, it should do. I think it just needs to warm up more.
Okay. I'm gonna
Well, look at that, KTM.
I'm gonna limp off. The KTM's working. I don't believe it.
Cheers,
Bye. It is. I'm going to call breakdown, see how long it's going to take.
Yeah, well, see if I've got phone signal if you haven't.
And if not, it's going to take forever. I might limp it back.
Yeah, that's so bad.
Pretty bad.
Yeah, so it's all over the place. It looks like at any moment it's about to come off the wind.
Yeah.
Well, you tried?
Huh?
You tried?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the end of the video, I guess. Hey, like, comment, whatever, all that stuff. Thank again for Pete and Phil. They waited around for me for, you know, until the breakdown truck came. And it wasn't too long of a wait, which I was really shocked about. Normally, I have been getting really bad luck with the old breakdown recovery services when I've actually had to use them, which is quite slim that I actually do have to use one. I usually get about one puncture a year, so hopefully that's the only puncture I get this year. Maybe? Hopefully? Anyway, Phil's bike had a weird electrical issue. He had loose battery terminals. I guess after all day off-roading and stuff, it shook it all to bits. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next video. Ah, I can't believe I pinched the tube.